We're going to be solving another LeetCode assessment for today. It's going to be random 2 questions. So let's get started. Okay. So the first problem is you're playing the following NIM game with your friend. One to 3 stones from the heap. And then the one who removes the last stone is the winner. So okay, so this is going to be a math problem because the constraints are 2 to the power of 31. And let's see the second question. Okay. So, hmm. Isn't it just n mod 4 equals 0, then it's false, else return true. Because if n is divisible by 4, basically that means no matter like what you choose, the other person is just gonna match that, so it equals 4. So let's say n is 4, right? No matter what we choose, the other person is just gonna, so if we choose 3, the other person's gonna choose 1. But if I choose 2, then the other person can choose 2, right? And then if we like continue the cycle, that can basically make it so the other person can win, right? But otherwise, if n is not divisible by 4, let's say n equals 5, right? In that case, we can go first. So we can remove any number of stones, but let's see. Yeah, more importantly, instead of like, so if n is equal to 5, we can remove one stone, so n becomes 4, right? Now it's just the same concept, but instead of like, let's say I going first, the other person's gonna go first now, so I think this should work. Okay. And then I believe this is just XOR. Hmm. Okay, I mean, how do we actually like figure out how many spots are actually different? So, let's see. Meanwhile, I guess we can loop. Hmm. Yeah, cause like the important factor I forgot was bits can only be looped a max like 32 times, cause it's always like 2 to the power, so we're not actually like gonna loop 2 to the 31 power times. So this we can just do this. So every time we loop, we have to like shift each number and check if it's one. I know I kind of copy and paste it, but I'm not that good in bits, so it's a good learning lesson, I guess. So we're looping through each power of 2, and then we're shifting x by I. So here, so we're basically like shifting it by I. So here it's like 0, and then as we keep going, we're gonna shift, and then we're just checking if they are the same or not. Okay. 8.47 out of 10. And then, yeah. So, overall, good assessment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.